Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is how to control fire. In previous lecture we discussed the conditions for combustion. Combustion khutshi three conditions asan. Condition 1, presence of fuel. Godnich condition chi fuel gusaksun present. Second condition is presence of oxygen. Without oxygen fuel will not burn. The condition number 3 is presence of heat. Meaning we need to heat the combustible material up to a specific temperature, that's called ignition temperature, and only then that fuel will react with oxygen chemically to generate fire. So these are the three conditions for combustion: presence of fuel, presence of oxygen, and presence of heat. So if we remove any of these three factors or three conditions, we can control fire. But in most of the cases we cannot remove this fuel. So what is in our hands? What is in our hands is that we can either block oxygen or we can decrease the temperature of the burning material. This is what a fire extinguisher does. Fire extinguisher either blocks the oxygen supply or it decreases the temperature of the burning material below its ignition temperature. A fire extinguisher is burning material temperature down below its ignition temperature, or a fire extinguisher is oxygen supply block. And in that way fire extinguisher helps us to control fire. The commonly used fire extinguishers are water and carbon dioxide gas. Commonly she is fire extinguish either using water or carbon dioxide gas. Yem sat is control yeso karun fire using water using fire water ki this water cools down the burning material below its ignition temperature, and that way fire gets extinguished. Besides, water burning materials, water vapors are generated. Those water vapors form a blanket around the burning material, and in that way those water vapors block the oxygen supply and the fire gets extinguished. But we cannot use water as a fire extinguisher all the time, in all the cases. Why? Because water is a good conductor of electricity. If the fire involves an electrical equipment, and in that case we cannot use water as a fire extinguisher, because by doing so we will get an electric shock. Besides, if the fire involves oil or petrol, in that case also we cannot use water as a fire extinguisher, because water is heavier than oil. That means if we try to control fire involving oil using water, this water will form the bottom layer, oil will form the top layer. Oil is water pot halka. Oil can float, oil is halka water pot. Oil will float on water. So it will spread more and more. That means this fire will spread more and more. Instead of by using water, instead of controlling fire, it will in fact it will this help the fire spread more and more. In these conditions, that means when the fire involves an electrical equipment or it involves oil, in these two situations we use carbon dioxide gas as a fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide cylinder stored under pressure. So if we try to control fire, what we do, carbon dioxide in cylinder release. This carbon dioxide, usually carbon dioxide it is heavier than oxygen. For example, if this is burning material, अगर बा क्या कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड करके आप पर रिलीज, the carbon dioxide is a heavy oxygen core. It forms a blanket around this burning material, and that way this carbon dioxide will block the oxygen supply and control the fire. So carbon dioxide is burning materials and then बनाना layer. क्या इसकी oxygen core heavy. यम साथ एक layer बनाया blanket होने oxygen supply is burning materials क्या बंद. The burning material is unsheathed, it gets extinguished. So fire extinguisher क्या water और carbon dioxide gas. तो ये fire extinguisher घर ते बनाइयो अम खत के करन जे कम अदा छिन baking soda के soda बे क्या छ त इन अमि अलाव vinegar को सर्क ये सिनिस त्राव ये baking soda छ त अकिस बाउलस मन इन बानस मन ज्यादा थोल गुस न दुस के तत मु तत बाउल मन छ मिल क्या अक burning candle येम साथ अत baking soda पर त्राव vinegar and baking soda karan panway react and gets produce carbon dioxide gas. So carbon dioxide gas carrier candle, usually burning candle, should spirit extinguish. I think this is enough for today. Assalamu alaikum.